Hello everyone, this is Todd from Mark's Leisure Time, and today we're going to take a look at the 2026 Harris Cruiser 210 SL with the all-new LUX interior. It's a clean layout and a smooth ride with plenty of room for family and friends. We went with the black edition powder coat on the rails, fence panels, and gates for a sharp all-black look and optioned up to the Contour Power Bimini top for a hassle-free deployment. Built on the 325 chassis with lifting strikes and a full skin kit. With the 325 chassis, you get a 50-gallon fuel tank and the ability to add a large in-floor storage locker. The SL floor plan gives you that nice and open walk-through design, spacious and comfortable with the upgraded LUX interior. Some great added features are the quick-release fender clips and the upgraded fence-mounted docking lights to give you great visibility at night. Here we have your Mercury 150 horsepower outboard with the power assist steering and a stainless steel prop. You also have your stainless steel tow bar cage and your upgraded lily pad ladder. Here we got the wide bow and side gate for easy boarding. This is the widest door in the pontoon industry, also making it handicap accessible. At the bow, you have two full chase lounges with the LUX interior, plush double stitch vinyl and tungsten, armrests that flip up and down, cup holders, and USB ports on either side. And on the port side, you have an extra storage location on the back of the lounger. Under the seats, you have plenty of ventilated storage. This is a clean helm layout with standard gauges and switches, plus a wireless charging phone holder mounted on the dash. The captain's chair swivels and slides forward and backwards and adjusts for height. For audio, you have the Wet Sound 400 with the MC 5-head unit and 4 Scout speakers. The backrest at the lounge can flip forward for cruising or back when you're anchored out, plus lay it flat for a full sun pad. There's a built-in trash receptacle tucked away on the port side of the side lounge. You have even more cup holders and USB ports throughout. That's the 2026 Harris Cruiser 210 SL. Clean, comfortable, and ready for the water. Come schedule a walkthrough on Princess Lake today and see for yourself. Thank you for watching.